Good morning, y'all, and welcome to the vlog. This week, we're checking out a trail. Well, a golf course. Come along with me and enjoy the ride. I'm Dre, and this is Keep It Class C. I want to introduce you to my channel, where I am a TSR rep for a local vegetable seed company, and I want to take you along on my travels, and along the way, hike some fantastic trails. Welcome to Bobby Jones Golf Course, located in Sarasota, Florida. The golf course says it's under renovation. However, I have a suspicion that due to Corona, they decided to close the course down, spray it with some glyphosate, and forget about it. The Bobby Jones Golf Course is a 27-hole golf course that has both a British style course and an American style. Here's an example of a fairway long forgotten. Take a look at these bunkers. Once pristine, now grassy nonsense. A tea complex. Where is it? And finally, the greens. There ain't much here. We're 100 yards from the green. Where is it? All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave you guys here. If you felt like you got something out of it, consider subscribing. I'll see you next week.